Can we do it?
When it comes to cleanroom production, we understand that time is crucial. If you're in need of a controlled environment solution quickly, without the design and planning phase, a pre-designed cleanroom offers a streamlined alternative. With over 20 years of industry experience, we've built a range of ready-to-ship, pre-designed cleanrooms that offer convenience without compromising performance or compliance. Here are 6 reasons you should choose a pre-designed cleanroom. 1. Reduced lead times. Traditional cleanroom projects typically begin with a lengthy design and approval phase, but with a pre-designed cleanroom, that step is already taken care of. Because the design and specifications are predetermined, you can move straight to ordering your new facility with delivery in just 5 weeks. The result is that lead times are significantly reduced, helping you respond to demand, meet project deadlines, or get new production lines operational in a shorter space of time. 2. Speedy construction times. A pre-designed cleanroom can be installed in as little as 48 hours when using qualified installation engineers. With no bespoke elements to manage, installation becomes a fast process. You can also choose to install the cleanroom yourself using our step-by-step installation guide. Ideal for internal teams with technical capability or those looking to keep costs to a minimum. 3. Cost effective. Pre-designed cleanrooms are engineered using highly requested features and layouts. This approach eliminates the need for custom design, standardizing the specification and ultimately creating a more cost-effective solution. With predetermined specifications and using a scalable design, you can benefit from reduced production costs without affecting performance or compliance. It's cleanroom capability built to fit both your space and your budget. 4. Change area. Maintaining proper gowning procedures is critical in controlled environments. That's why our pre-designed hardwall cleanrooms include a 1 meter by 3.1 meter integrated change area, with an optional clean, non-classified, bolt-on module available for pre-designed softwall cleanrooms. This ensures separation between gowning and operational spaces, helping you uphold internal protocols and external compliance requirements. 5. Achieves compliance. Every cleanroom in our pre-designed range is built to meet ISO Class 7, with HEPA filtration as standard. Whether you're facing internal quality benchmarks or regulatory audits, our pre-designed cleanrooms are ready to deliver. 6. Popular sizes. Our designs include popular specifications for small-scale cleanroom builds. These form the basis of our pre-designed range, meaning you're more likely to find a unit that meets your needs without modification. This approach takes guesswork out of cleanroom planning, making it faster and easier to select, order, and install a solution that works for your process.